Greetings, happy Thursday, and hola from beautiful San Juan Capistrano. This is Mark Cook at Dalinghaus Construction. Today I wanted to show you what I like to look at, not the raised foundations, what I've been looking at. No, I don't mind those, but these are the slab foundations in South Orange County that I love looking at because there's always so much movement. Sometimes you never know what you're gonna get. So this particular house, I was brought here by a GC, and then check these cracks out. Right there, running all back there. One I really wanted to show you was this one here. So look at how wide this crack is. And it's displaced. So it's almost 2 inches wide in certain areas. So surprisingly, I took my zip level and this house is only down 1.5 inches. I've seen a lot in this area where they're down 8, 10, 12, 15 inches, but this one's down 1.5 inches. So I'm gonna give them a proposal to repair the cracks and then add a few piers in that corner just to stabilize it. So adios from beautiful San Juan Capistrano.